with the flat metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten to release the pay with the upper portion of the buckle. Turbulence may occur with no warnings. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency, you will command to brace. Refer to your safety features card for your brace position. Do not take any carry-on items with you during evacuation and follow the directions of the flight crew. There's a total number of 18 emergency exits on board this aircraft. There are 4 window exits located in the cabin over the wing, 2 emergency doors located in the forward, and 2 emergency doors exits located in the rear. Please take hold of one exit nearest you along with all the exits to be in mind. These will be right behind you. Should power loss or emergency occur, floor level lighting will come on automatically and all exits will be indicated by your exit illuminated exit sign. Now should the cabin pressure change, full oxygen mask will automatically drop from the panel located above you. Remain seated and immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place that right yellow mask over your nose and mouth, securing